Hello, this is the hardware part of the Lab 3 assignment solution. In general, I used a male-to-male jumper wire connected to pin 14 of ESP32. This is the firmware part of the Lab 3 assignment solution. So the firmware begins by checking the wake-up source of the ESP32. The touch value is a calibrated threshold to differentiate touch and untouched based on the touchpad input. Day of week is a defined dictionary value that will be used for time information output. Pin 14 is configured as a touchpad input. NeoPixel LED is configured as output, and red LED on board is also configured as an output pin. And then switch pin 38 is configured as input pin and also a wake-up source of ESP32. In the following, there are four functions. The first one is the do connect function, which is used to connect the ESP32 to local Wi-Fi. And then there are three callback functions. The first is a timer callback, which is used to update the real-time clock and convert it to local time at Purdue and also print it out in the terminal. The second one is a callback function used for NeoPixel LED control based on the touchpad input. If the touchpad reading is higher than the touch threshold, then the NeoPixel is power off. Otherwise, the NeoPixel will be power on. The third callback function is to put the ESP32 in deep sleep state for 1 minute. And then I define a real-time clock and then connect ESP32 to Wi-Fi, and then use this function to update the real-time clock based on the online server. Following, I define three hardware timer for the time information update, NeoPixel LED control, and deep sleep of the ESP32. In the following, I will do a demo. Now let's run the code. As you can see, now the board is connected to local Wi-Fi and then display the IP address in a terminal. On the board side, the red LED is on, and then the touchpad pin will turn on the NeoPixel. But press the switch will not change the state of the board. After 30 seconds, the board will be put in deep sleep state, as you can see now, and the red LED will be off. And then at this moment, the touchpad pin does not change the state of the NeoPixel LED, but press the switch button will wake up the board, and then as you can see, the red LED will be on, and then touch the NeoPixel will turn on the NeoPixel LED. Again, press the switch will not change the state of the board during the wake up state. On the terminal side, you can see once during at the moment of wake up, and the terminal will display the source of wake up because we press the switch to wake it up, so it display as external wake ups. And also you can see the terminal will display the time information every 15 seconds and the board will go into deep sleep every 30 seconds. And then wait for, if I didn't push the switch, it will wait for 60 seconds, and then the board will wake up because of a timer wake up, as you will see in the terminal. Yep. Now time's up. The board wake up again. Now because I didn't press the switch button, it displays as a timer wake up. So this is the solution to lab 3 assignment. Thank you for your attention.